Hey you! Yes you! Want a new career? Start with MedCerts Online. Become an IT professional. We can help you with a dedication of 15 to 20 hours a week. Build real-world skills in network administration, cybersecurity, and system troubleshooting. We'll prepare you for your future career by leveraging experience and insight from IT experts.
Now, along with that, I did notice in the initial shot though, Wes, that you showed the motherboard itself. It looks really tiny in comparison to a desktop motherboard. Can you tell us a little bit more there?
Absolutely. So let's go ahead and bring our one that is that's already in place.